Good evening and thank you for joining us. One slaughterhouse in Lexington could be facing legal action after allegedly botching an animal death at the facility. WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ryan Brooks gives us the details.
The volunteer meat slaughterhouse in Lexington is under scrutiny after PETA claims it unjustly euthanized a cow. PETA also says this report was documented by a federal inspector with the USDA Food Safety and Inspection Service, who publish violations every few weeks on their website.
A USDA inspector who's stationed at volunteer meats recently saw workers shoot a cow in the head, but leave the animal conscious. And a worker then cut the conscious animal's throat and the animal bled to death, which is against federal law.
PETA is calling on District Attorney Jody Pickens to investigate and file appropriate state and criminal charges against the slaughterhouse and the workers who were responsible for the animal's death. Colin Henstock, Assistant Director of Project Strategy with PETA, says
federal inspectors have warned this facility multiple times since August 2021 for botching the slaughter of at least 8 other animals, and that left them conscious and in pain after workers had shot them in the head. They've also warned them for confining dozens of animals without food and water.
Federally inspected slaughterhouses that are allowed to ship meat between the states have a USDA inspector stationed on site whenever they're operating and rotate throughout the facility. In slaughterhouses, it's against the law to shoot animals more than once to stun them. They have to be rendered unconscious immediately.
Shooting animals in the head and then cutting their throat while they're still conscious isn't something that's approved by the slaughter industry, and it's a likely violation of the state's cruelty to animals law. So we do hope that the district attorney takes this very seriously.
In Lexington, Ryan Brooks, WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News.
According to PETA, they have not heard from the office of Jody Pickens regarding their legal action request. We also reached out to him and have not received a response. We also contacted the company for a comment and have not heard back. The only thing the USDA can do is warn the slaughterhouse and allow them to resume operating.